You're joking, aren't you? It's the Teesside Chef. Come on, we all know what cupcakes look like, so let's press on because time is money. So you want to start with 15 grams of baking powder and add 300 grams of plain flour to that, sieving all the time. And we'll make our cupcakes nice and light by adding 60 grams of cornstarch, and we'll add a pinch of salt to that. And I'm making 24 cupcakes here, but you can easily half this recipe. And our dry ingredients are done now, so let's get 300 grams of softened butter in here and add 250 grams of caster sugar to that. And we're going to whisk all that up until it's lightened in colour and it's all fluffy. And we're going to add 4 eggs now to this whipped mix, and you want to do that one at a time. And add a tablespoon of your dry ingredients with each egg and give it a good stir to incorporate every time. And let's push the boat out with these by putting the seeds of a full vanilla pod in there. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for all you swats out there who want to get these perfect. And then we can give that a good whisk up again and then a good stir to bring it together. And let's bring our dry ingredients back and give them a good stir and bring in 200 millilitres of milk on the right there. And now we're going to add the dry ingredients and the milk to our mix now in 3 stages, stirring after each stage to fully incorporate. And now these are ready for our cases, and I'm using an ice cream scoop to get them in here. But you can use a big spoon and your finger if you're allergic to ice cream scoops. And once you're at this stage of proceedings, your oven should already be really well preheated, 160 degrees fan setting. And after 18 to 20 minutes, they should look like this. They'll bounce back when pressed on top, and a toothpick inserted should come out clean like this. And that's it. I told you, didn't I? Easy vanilla cupcakes in 90 seconds, door to door. Ding dang do. Have fun decorating them, won't you? I'd stay and help you, but I've got to get off and go to my Morris dancing class. Hey, I've been a right motor mouth there, like, haven't I? But thanks for watching, everyone. And if you like and subscribe, I'll be your best friend foreverest. See you, mates. Ta-ra.